And we kick off with city news. New York Mayor Eric Adams' administration has officially issued a 60-day notice for migrant families to secure alternative housing. During this period, migrants will engage with caseworkers navigating the next phase of their asylum journey. Councilmember Pierina Sanchez highlights that the city council, in response, has voted to increase shelter capacity by expanding housing vouchers and also expresses concern about the insufficient support from the state. Mayor Eric Adams implemented the 60-day time frame in October for homeless migrant families, citing the necessity to alleviate strain on the shelter system overwhelmed by asylum seekers arriving from the southern U.S. border. The Adams administration has consistently cautioned that securing a new placement within the given period does not guarantee another bed. Despite this, the mayor, alongside other city officials, assured they would prioritize families. Efforts will be made to place them in proximity to their children's schools, minimizing potential disruptions to their education. Well, in other news, MTA's Tap to Pay fare system achieved a milestone of 1 billion taps, that in 2023, signaling widespread adoption. Accessibility enhancements are on the horizon, with plans for continuous expansion in the coming years. Now, in 2023, Omni was successfully integrated in all MTA train stations, buses, and the Staten Island Railway. A significant development includes the deployment and activation of the initial Omni card vending machines through the entire MTA system. Now, simultaneously, the new mobile ticketing option is the pipeline for the Omni mobile app, poised to replace the current eTix app. Riders will be able to seamlessly tap their payment, go right to the turnstile with Omni, and then use either their bank card, an Omni card, or their phone, provided they have Express Transit card configured in their digital wallet. In health news, after the holiday season, the coronavirus cases on the rise again. Increasing cases of COVID-19, along with influenza and RSV, have compelled health authorities to reintroduce a mask mandate for the city's public hospitals. While recent COVID-19 figures haven't reached the peaks seen during the pandemic, several crucial metrics reveal noteworthy increases according to data. In December, daily COVID hospitalizations surged by 153% based on the city's most recent batch average admission data. Now, arguably the most dependable, albeit not highly specific indicator of COVID's recent upswing, it lies in New York City sewers. Wastewater samples revealed a 372% surge in coronavirus detections within a week based on latest numbers. New York City Health Commissioner Ashwin Vasan recommends city residents avail themselves of the most recently updated COVID-19 vaccine coupled with a flu shot to protect them. Switching now to community news, access to nutritious and affordable food within medical facilities. It's been a challenge for healthcare workers and their patients. Taking a groundbreaking step towards food equity, Everytable proudly announced a transformative partnership with New York City Health and Hospitals. Our Bronx Net reporter Jonathan Calixto was on site for the grand opening of their inaugural location, bringing us in-depth look into this innovative initiative.
With a mission to make nutritious food accessible to everyone, Everytable announces its latest partnership with New York City Health and Hospitals.
To see everybody enjoying it and saying, wow, thank you, I can afford a good, healthy meal at a reasonable price is so satisfying.
As the first Everytable location to open in a Bronx hospital, for Jordana Bailey, Chief Operating Officer at NYC Health and Hospitals, it is helping address healthy eating concerns in the community.
That we make sure the Bronx is one of the #1 communities to really reverse these changes and ailments to make a healthier lifestyle for everybody.
The partnership between NYC Health and Hospitals and Everytable will continue with more locations opening throughout New York.
It's just a beautiful synergy. And so making sure that folks, as they're here getting the care they need, can then come down and get a nutritious meal as they're either staying here or as they're recovering.
Mark Cole, General Manager of the Everytable location at Jacoby Hospital, has seen the impact of meals from breakfast to dinner options has had on patients, workers, and families.
These are meals that a lot of people don't have the ability to get home and cook a full meal, have a vegetable, a protein, and a starch on the same plate. So yeah, and at the price that it is too, it makes it a whole lot better for families.
The Everytable location in Jacoby Hospital will be open to serve the community around the clock, one nutritious meal at a time. Reporting for BronxNet, Jonathan Calixto.
And thank you, Jonathan. That is all the time we have for our Bronx updates. We are taking a quick break, but we'll have more open when we return.